tennis racket is 28 inches long. A baseball bat is 75% longer than the tennis racket. What is the length in inches of the baseball bat? So the first thing I need to do is identify the length of my tennis racket. I see that it's labeled here as 28 inches. That is the length of my tennis racket. I know that 75% written as a fraction is 3/4. So that's why our squares to represent a whole is separated into fourths. So this length here that represents the tennis racket is 28 inches. That means that these 4 squares over here also represent 28 inches. In order to figure out the length of the baseball bat, I need to know how much one square is worth. So how many inches each square is worth. So I know that 4 squares, so 1, 2, 3, and 4 represents 28 inches. So 4 squares is equal to 28 inches. And since I need to know how much one square is worth, I need to divide 28 divided by 4. 28 divided by 4 is 7. So that means 1 square is equal to 7 inches. Now I need to figure out how many inches long is the baseball bat. So I know the tennis racket is 4 squares long. The baseball bat is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 inches long. 7 squares long, sorry. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 squares that represent the entire length of the baseball bat. So I need to figure out how many inches would be represented by 7 squares. So I have 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, which is the same as 7 times 7. So the baseball bat is represented by 7 squares. And then I need to multiply 7 inches times 7 squares. So 7 times 7 is equal to 49. So that means the length of my baseball bat in inches is 49 inches.